Assalamualaikum student. I hope you will be fine. Welcome to online classes. Today we will study in grade 5 science. So open your book with me. Student, today our unit is our body microbes. We have studied about in previous lecture what are microbes and how they affect and how they sick us. We have discussed it in detail. Now today we will discuss it question answer and its remaining exercise. In exercise we have exercise B, choose and write the correct option. Which is the following is not an example of microbe fungi? Mold, mushroom, yeast. Okay, we can see mushroom, mold and yeast are microscopic and mushrooms are not microscopic. Question number 2. Dash help to keep the balance of nitrogen in the atmosphere. Fungi, virus, bacteria. Bacteria helps to keep the balance of nitrogen in the atmosphere. Third is dash is not caused by a virus. Hepatitis, ringworm, mumps. Ringworm is not caused by a virus. Fourth is dash are completely harmful to their host. Fungi, virus, bacteria. Virus are completely harmful to their host. Fifth is athlete foot is a common disease caused by a fungi, virus, bacteria. This is the example of fungi. We will do the question answer. I am writing the question answer for you on board. Copy them on your notebook. Student, our first question is, first of all we have right question answer. First question is, what are microscopic organism? Microscopic organism क्या कहलाते हैं हमारे पास जो हम खुद बीन से देख सकते हैं. Microscopic organisms are very tiny organism cannot be seen by naked eye. Question number 2 is, what are the macroscopic organism? Macroscopic organisms can be visible by naked eye like plants and animals. Question number 3, what does microorganism means? It is derived from two Latin words. Micro mean very small and organism mean living things. What are germs? Tiny living organism which cause disease in our human body is called germs. What are the main group of microorganism? There are three main group of microorganism: virus, bacteria, fungi. Question number 4 is, what is the virus? Virus are very tiny organism not visible to the naked eye. They come in virus shape, various shape. What is the bacteria? Bacteria are very small unicellular organism present all around us and can only seen with the help of microscope. Define fungi. Fungi are multicellular organism. There are different type of fungi. They also exist in a variety of different size ranging from microscopic to macroscopic. Write the name of the advantages of microorganism. Aid in digestion, keep nitrogen in balance, help in making vaccine, help in food production, help in making medicine. Write the name of disadvantage of microorganism. Spoilage of food, disease. Okay students, now we have long question answer. Our first question is, define organism in detail. Microscope organism are so tiny that they can only seen under a microscope. We call them microorganism or microbes. The term microorganism is derived from two Latin words. Micro mean very small and organism mean living thing. There are billions of microorganisms living around us, performing a variety of important functions. In simple terms, we call them germs. Enter our body by any means, they cause us to become sick. Question number 2. Write the disadvantages of microorganism. Aid is digestion. Many bacteria living in the human intestine and aid in digestion of food. Keep nitrogen in balance. Bacteria help to keep the balance of nitrogen in atmosphere. Such bacteria are called nitrogen fixing bacteria. Help in making vaccine. Some microorganisms are used for making vaccine. A vaccine is a synthetic substitute used to provide the immunity against one or several diseases. Help in food production. Different organisms are used in help in the production of different food items. For example, yeast is a fungus used in making bread and cheese, while bacteria help in making yogurt. Now we have question number 3. Write the disadvantage of microorganism. Spoilage of food. Microorganisms spoil the food and make the food stale for human use. For example, the growth of mold spoil and rot bread, fruit and vegetable. Disease. Microorganisms that cause disease are called germs. They can enter the body through various paths such as nose or mouth, when you breathe, eat or drink, or they can even enter the body through wounded skin. Example of bacteria disease are bronchitis, typhoid, food poisoning, etc. Our fourth question is, describe about main group of microorganism. Main group of microorganism. Scientists classify microorganisms into 3 groups on the basis of their shape, structure, feeding habits, etc. These are virus, bacteria, fungi. Viruses are very tiny organisms, not visible to the naked eye. They need a living organism to reproduce. They cannot prepare their food by own. They are very harmful. They spread disease including measles, mumps, hepatitis, etc. Bacteria are small unicellular organisms that present all around us. They are harmful and cause infection in human body like typhoid, cholera, food poisoning and pneumonia. Some bacteria are helpful to human. Useful bacteria lives in our intestine, helps to use important food, nutrients and aid in digestion. Fungi. Fungi are the multicellular organism. There are different type of fungi. Fungi may look like plants, but they cannot make their own food. They are found on rotting food such as bread, fruit, vegetable. A common disease caused by a fungi is athlete's foot. Okay student, these are your question answer. Note down these question answer on your notebook and learn them, and when your school will be open and when we call your notebooks, then we check your notebooks. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.